Welcome to Trieste, a unique Italian port city on the Adriatic Sea. Blending Italian, Slavic, and Austrian influences in its architecture, cuisine, and culture, due to its historical role as a crossroads between Western Europe and the Balkans. Trieste is located in northeastern Italy, near the border with Slovenia, on the Adriatic Sea's Gulf of Trieste. It sits at the crossroads of Central Europe and the Balkans. Our journey begins at the famous Piazza Unità d'Italia, which is one of the largest seafront squares in Europe, opening directly onto the Adriatic Sea. Surrounded by grand neoclassical and Baroque buildings, the square showcases the city's blend of Italian, Austrian, and Slavic influences. At night, it transforms with lights illuminating the historic architecture, creating a vibrant gathering place for locals and visitors alike. Not far from Piazza Unità d'Italia lies the Piazza della Borsa, a lively square that once served as the city's financial center, with the grand 19th century Borsa Vecchia building as its focal point. Today, it's a popular spot for locals and visitors, surrounded by cafes, shops, and historic architecture reflecting Trieste's blend of Italian and Austro-Hungarian influences. Trieste, located along the Adriatic Sea, boasts a beautiful coastline that has shaped its maritime history and cultural identity. One of its iconic landmarks is Molo Audace, a long pier stretching into the sea, offering stunning views of the Gulf of Trieste, and a popular spot for locals to gather, stroll, and enjoy the sunset. Canal Grande di Trieste is a picturesque waterway that once served as the city's main port for trade and commerce, showcasing Trieste's historical maritime significance. Lined with charming cafes and vibrant buildings, the canal is a popular destination for both locals and tourists, especially during the lively events and markets that take place along its banks. The Church of Sant'Antonio Nuovo is a stunning example of neoclassical architecture, featuring an impressive dome that dominates the skyline. Built in the early 20th century, the church is dedicated to Saint Anthony of Padua and is known for its beautiful interior adorned with intricate frescoes and stunning mosaics. The Austro-Hungarian influence on Trieste is evident in its grand architecture, characterized by ornate facades and elegant buildings that reflect the city's historical role as a significant port in the Austro-Hungarian Empire. This cultural legacy is also seen in the city's diverse culinary scene and vibrant cultural life, where traditions from various ethnic groups, including Italians, Slavs, and Germans, blend harmoniously. Thank you for watching.